6.5 down, 5.5 down, 9 forward. Good. In 20 feet. Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
Astro, no.
Hey, David, how you doing, man?
Very well, very well.
Tell us, what are you doing today in the airport?
Skydiving for the number 4.
Yeah, number 4 skydive, man. That's awesome. First time in Puerto Vallarta?
Yes, sir, first time.
All right, well, I think we're gonna enjoy the best view we can get from the bay. We're gonna go 11,000 feet above the ground, open the door, and then jump out. All right, some words before we go to the plane?
That's it, I'm ready. Let's do it.
Perfect, let's do it.
I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. She say that I'm cool. I'm like, yeah, that's true. I believe in G-O-D, don't believe in T-H-O-T. She keep playing me dumb, I'm a player for fun. Y'all don't really know my mental, let me give you the picture like stencil. Falling out in a drought, no flow rain wasn't pouring down. See, that pain was all around, see my mode was kinda lounge. Didn't know which way to turn, flow was cool but I still felt burned. Energy up, you can feel my surge, I'ma kill everything like this purge. Let's just get this straight for a second. I'ma work, even if I don't get paid for progression. I'ma get it, everything that I do is electric. I'ma keep it in motion, keep it moving like kinetic. Put this shit in a frame, better know I don't blame everything that I say. Man, I seen you deflate, let me elevate. This ain't a prank, have you walking on a plane? Both hands together, God, let me pray. I been going right around, call that relay. Pass the baton, back in the mall, swimming in the pool, can't drink them all. Want a piece of this, a piece of mine, my piece of sign. Can you please read between the lines? My rhymes inclined to break your.
Once upon a younger year, when all our shadows disappeared, the animals inside came out to play. Went face to face with all our fears, learned our lessons through the tears, made memories we knew would never fade. One day my father, he told me, son, don't let it slip away. He took me in his arms, I heard him say, when you get older, your wild heart will live for younger days. Think of me if ever you're afraid. He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child, these are the nights that never die. My father told me. Light a fire they can't put out, carve your name into those shining stars. He said go venture far beyond the shores, don't forsake this life of yours. I'll guide you home no matter where you are. One day my father, he told me, son, don't let it slip away. When I was just a kid I heard him say, when you get older your wild heart will live for younger days. Think of me if ever you're afraid. He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child, these are the nights that never die. My father told me.
Yeah, hey! Welcome back, man! How was that?
That was awesome. Awesome.
It was a nice view up there, huh?
Elvis! Woo!
Yeah, buddy! Good one! Welcome to Skydive Vallerta, man.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure jumping with you.